Hello, welcome back to Ultimate Plays. Today we're going to be playing a game on Roblox called Feather Family. What we're going to do, what Feather Family is all about is that you get to choose the type of bird you want to be. Then you get to play as the bird. So, I decided since, geese have been protective of their eggs for a while. I guess let's be a goose. Let's do an adult. Play as a normal Canada goose, shall we? There's robins in this game. I haven't played this game in a while, and I didn't even realize there was actually robins. As you can see, this is the controls of a bird, and right now my goose is flying. You get to steer the goose where it's flying. I mean, any bird you want where it's flying. You're gonna fly up, and then dive down at good speeds. And right here it looks like there's a village, so I'm gonna go check it out. Let's look at the flocks. Let's create a new flock. YouTubers only. Yes. Alright, now I need to search for YouTubers. I don't know if he's gonna be on here, but probably, I don't know. But probably President Plays is gonna be checking this game out. Alright guys, looks like being goose is actually kind of cool. Let's see what the call is. Yeah, normal honk. Yep, keep honking, goose. We already have YouTubers coming out over here. Create flocking net. Alright, as you can see, this is the eating animation of the goose. This looks cool. What about the hurt animation? Oh, that's just sad. A hurt goose. Aww. What about the display? Well, that looks like mix it with the honk, and then you got protective goose. Yeah, I gotta chase them down, protect the goose. Chase down them. And of course, the running speed is just walking, just like walking, but it's a little bit faster. What are eyes anyway? Oh, it closes his eyes when you press eyes. Alright, let's build a nest, a rock nest. Right over here on these rocks. And look at that, now we have a rock house. What is preen all about anyway? Oh, that's when it itches its feathers. Cool. Alright. Alright, it looks like we have another YouTuber over here. Since you're the only one left, the only one on our team, if you're watching this YouTube video, then hit that like button. Also, hit the subscribe button so we can, well, get some more subscribers. Please. Alright. You can turn it on and off lights now. How was I supposed to know that? I've been playing this game in a long time. I love this game. This is my favorite game in Roblox. And I haven't been playing it in a long time because I've been making even more YouTube videos. For example, other Roblox videos and try not to laugh, etc., etc., etc. Okay, alright. Yep, like I just said, hit the like and subscribe button. Yep, what in the world is this? It's an egg. What's up this ladder? I keep forgetting. I can climb. You can climb up a ladder as a goose. Bye bye, everyone. I thought I remember seeing a rat around here. I could be mistaken by another barn. Alright. Alright, whatever that means. Hey, finally they added a bird bath in the game. Yay, I got a goose bath. Alright. I'm gonna type in a joke. What does a French spider eat? Oh darn it, nope. I guess the other guy left. What does A French spider eat? French flies. Did you get my joke there? French flies is French fries. So I'm a goose right. Like I said, I'm a goose right now. Oh, I got more YouTubers on my club now. Nice. Alright. You know what I'm doing right now? Hopefully these guys can understand that I'm trying to make a YouTube video of being a goose. I will put this on YouTube, like you already know. So as you can see, the goose has webbed feet. That's one of the details about the goose in this game, and it's shaped exactly like a real goose. Now that I checked out everything that's new, I think I should end this episode here. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed.